Hey everyone, Kaikane Smith here. Today I'm going to talk about why you must be a native English speaker to teach English abroad, 100%, bar none. This is a common sense given, by the way, guys. Do you think that if you wanted to study fluent Japanese with the hopes of speaking perfect Nihongo in the near future, you would be studying with a teacher who is from Spain who claims to be able to speak perfect Japanese? Of course not. I don't think so. Even though the teacher from Spain may have a good command of Japanese, he or she is still way off from being a native Japanese speaker. Just isn't going to happen. This is the same principle, obviously, and it applies when teaching English and for your students who should be learning from a proper teacher whom is a native English speaker only. Don't be a scam and attempt to teach a language that you are not a native speaker of. You can argue with me all you want, guys, but you know I'm 100% right. So, a real native English speaking teacher is any teacher from only the following countries, and this is a fact: the USA, Canada, England, Wales, Scotland, Ireland, South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. That's it. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, you have a lovely day. Don't forget to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. Don't forget to get my book as well if you haven't gotten it yet. And do like, share, and subscribe, and stay in touch for more awesome videos. Until next time, peace out.